shabby.
I might take the handgun and see if I can hit any,
We'll at least see if it works, you know what I mean? Like,
what? See this one, you mean?
yeah, your new one.
I guess I could shoot out here, huh?
Yeah. You hit it.
Well, failure to eject. First one. I hit it.
Yeah, you did hit it. I heard it. Yeah, I heard it. I'm dead serious.
The trigger is bad, though.
Is it bad?
Yeah, it's bad.
Nothing on that one.
It ain't? You hear it at all?
Nah. And you can normally hear a 22 out there on the steel. Well, it's gonna be a long shot.
At least the further ones, this boards ain't all shot up, you know?
Yeah.
High. High. To the left, I think. Low. There you go. I got you. There you go. There you go.
You just gotta slow it down just a hair.
you.
Yeah, you can leave them there. Super solid mixer.
The magazine sits in there pretty good.
Yeah.
You don't have to like
Don't you
jam it
just
in there
wanna-
or anything stupid like that.
Pistol hard,
You know what I figured out honestly about
Which one are you going for?
The blank one right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then move the sight.
Looks like what you're doing.
Yeah.
You know, that was the thing. I didn't see where that
You know
one
what I'm saying?
went. Good. Good.
Look, whenever you do the math,
Bullseye.
oh,
Yes, left.
hit the three.
Huh. Excellent. Good.
Both of those are 9s as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Compact.
I just got this. $200.
$200, huh?
M88. Yeah, M88.
Oh, I'll tell you what.
Gustava. It's like it's a talk rock.
The way you're shooting it, the way you're shooting it, make it look a lot more expensive.
Yeah, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
uh-huh. Nice and light. Good, it's good personal. That'd be a good personal. All around it.
Single action.
Yeah, that's real nice.
$200. Fantastic.
Can't beat it. Yeah, you
Brand
can't.
new.
Yeah, you can't beat it. He was gonna get the.
Brand new manufacturer too. You know, this is a surplus. You know.
Yeah. No, that's perfect right there. Super accurate too, man. Yeah, I already seen what you guys were doing. Go get good things.
Way low, I saw that.
Yeah. How about
Shoots low. Ain't that low.
Never-Redders are nice.
I like the
Oh, it's not. It's
Take
right in
that
the
one.
back.
and it's actually the driven. Hey, I got mine in too.
Yeah, that's fine. Just look at my shit. I don't know.
Where you shooting at?
The bottom right one, I hit it 3, but the other 3 were high.
Yeah.
The other 3 were high.
Are we going top?
Yep.
It shoots low.
Let's try a different one.
Which everybody is.
He's gonna
A good deal because like I take scrap to him all the time, so he just gives me.
regular.
It's like it's really like 55 cents off of what yellow.